Hey, welcome to Smokey Barbecue. Today we're going to do a bacon wrapped onion ring with some Louisiana hot sauce. A new friend of mine doing some stuff with us is Trigger Happy Barbecue, West Rockhold out of Amarillo, doing that for us today. We're going to wrap them in the standard cut bacon and go from there. Y'all see you in a second. Okay, what we're going to do to get started on this, we're going to take our onions, we're going to to get them ready, we're going to cut them in about 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch slices. So we're going to get this onion cut apart right here. Cut one slice off right there so we can get it off. Don't need that outside, don't need the skin, don't need the ends. To get these ready, what I'm going to do is I'm going to slice right down the middle. Do it like that, and then I'm going to take one more on each side. And we're just going to take the outside couple of rings. Look like we're going to get 3 out of that one. Get 2 out of that one. Get 3 out of that one. And we're going to get 3 out of that one. And now what we're going to do now is we're just going to take a little bit of this Louisiana hot sauce. We're just going to take and drizzle it around the edges of it. And that's just give you a little bit of flavor while you're doing it on the inside. And we're going to take a piece of bacon. I'm just using standard cut bacon. You can use as many slices as you want. Most times it's going to take 2, sometimes 3. We're going to wrap it up, stretch that bacon out just a little bit so that it's going to make it really crispy when you're cooking them. Wrap these up, then we're going to put a little bit of the Kosmos honey chipotle on there, and then we're going to drizzle a little bit of Trigger Happy barbecue sauce, and we'll be ready to rock and roll. But let me get the rest of these done. I'll see you in just a little bit. Okay, we're back. We got everything wrapped. I'm not the only one to wrap these. I got a bunch of people here at my house today. We're going to have a big cook, and they all helped us wrap, so I appreciate everybody that come over and wrap some onion rings for us. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come on with a little bit of the Kosmos. We're going to use a honey chipotle killer bee. We're going to put it on right here. Then we'll come on with our sauce. We're going to come on with our Trigger Happy barbecue sauce on top of it. And we'll go get them on the smoker. We're just going to sprinkle a little bit here on the top. And I get this question all the time. Why do you put your barbecue rub under your sauce? Well, the rub itself actually has some salt in it that is going to bring out the moisture and everything that we're doing. So we're going to do it like this. Put a little sauce on there. We're going to come back on with a little bit of Trigger Happy. And put it on there pretty liberal. Now we're going to put it on now, and then right before we take them off, we're going to put them on a smoker for probably 90 minutes, that's an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. Whenever that bacon crisp up, that's when we're going to take them off. And then we'll let them rest. And we'll put a little more sauce on right before we take off. and we'll have them ready to go. So let me get these done up, and we'll see y'all at the smoker. Okay guys, we're out here at the smoker. We got our onion rings. We're gonna put them on here. We're gonna put them on for about an hour and a half. We're gonna check them in an hour and a half. It may take up 2 hours. We're gonna get this bacon good and crispy. So we're gonna put them on out here. We're gonna come check them in a little while anyway. Have them ready to go. When they're ready, you'll be ready to see what you're gonna eat. We got these bacon wrapped onion rings on the inside. Just a little bit of a recap. We put a little Louisiana hot sauce around the onion itself before we wrapped it in the bacon. Then we wrapped it in the bacon. Then we put a little sauce on. We put the Trigger Happy barbecue sauce on it. Then we put just our barbecue rub on it. These turned out, they look amazing. We're going to take one right here. Let's take this one off this edge. Let's take this one right here. We're going to get us a bite of this. That bacon is crispy. That onion is delicious. That is some good stuff right there. Hey guys, y'all like us, subscribe to us, and leave a comment below. If y'all done something a little bit different than what I've done, or if I can do something a little bit different, y'all let me know. But look at this, you do what you do, you hear that bell, get that ding, 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 you hear the bell, you see all our videos coming out. We got something dropping every week. Y'all come see us, you'll like what you see, and you'll like what you eat that I cook. Y'all come see us now here.